KPIs are a vital part of project management. They help measure project success and ensure that everyone is on the same page. There are 5 characteristics of project management KPIs. They need to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Measuring project performance through KPIs is critical. It allows teams to track progress and make data-driven decisions. Measuring project success is more than just completing tasks. It's about delivering value to stakeholders and meeting project objectives. A project management KPI checklist is a great way to ensure that you are measuring the right things. It can help you align your KPIs with project objectives and track progress more effectively. KPIs are essential in project management because they provide a clear picture of project progress. They help teams stay on track and ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget.